Claude AI can integrate with Microsoft 365 through connectors available in the Claude desktop app. This connection allows Claude to access selected Microsoft 365 data, enabling AI-assisted document management, email drafting, calendar coordination, and workflow automation. This tutorial outlines the steps to link both platforms. Steps to connect Claude AI to Microsoft 365. First, open the Claude desktop app on your computer. This works on both Windows and Mac. Ensure you are logged into your Claude account before continuing. Once the app is open, look for the Customize option. This is typically found in the menu next to Skills. Inside Customize, locate a section called Connectors. This section allows you to link Claude with other tools, such as Microsoft 365, Google Drive, or Slack. Click on Connectors. You will see a list of available connectors. Click Browse Connectors at the top right. Type Microsoft 365 in the search bar and press Enter. Scroll through the list until you find Microsoft 365. Then click on it to begin the setup process. You will be prompted to authorize the connection. This requires logging into your Microsoft account that has access to the Microsoft 365 services you want to connect. Follow the on-screen steps, enter your login details, and grant the requested permissions. After logging in, you will be asked to select the Microsoft 365 services such as Outlook, OneDrive, or SharePoint you want to connect. Choose the appropriate services and confirm your selection. Once all permissions and selections are confirmed, the connection will be established. Claude is now linked with Microsoft 365 limitation. The specific features available through the Claude Microsoft 365 connector depend on the version of the desktop app and your Claude subscription tier. Some connectors may require a paid plan. Microsoft 365 access permissions must be granted during setup, and Claude will only be able to access services you explicitly authorize. This integration is best suited for users who want to leverage AI assistance for document management, email drafting, or calendar coordination within Microsoft 365.